Hi, good morning sa inyo. Gumawa lang ako ng video instruction para sa additional information regarding sa gagawin nating road staking. So basically, ang purpose nito is para ma-identify natin accurately yung limit ng kalsada and yung two lots and then the playground para malaman natin yung exact limits nila. So for road 1, 2, and 3, it is 7 meters wide. And then itong road 4 na ito, na paikot, is only 6 meters wide. Now, itong red dots, ito yung suggested location ko ng stakes. Kung mapapansin nyo, it falls on the corner of the lot along the road. Kasi instead of putting the stakes randomly along the road, mas maganda na ilagay na lang natin siya dun sa kanto ng mga lote. Kasi medyo malalayo na rin ang pagitan nito. The distances ranges from 10 meters to 15 meters na din. So, it's like hitting two birds in one stone. Na-identify natin yung road limit, na-identify din natin yung corner ng lots. There are some roads, especially on the corner, na may additional stakes lang tayo na gagawin kasi kung mapansin nyo, nagbend yung kalsada. So, also, meron din siyang ganyang situation dito sa likod. And then dito sa Road 4, intersection of Road 2. But other than that, this should be very, very straightforward. Also, yung corners ng playground, kailangan ma-identify natin. And then, corners ng B1, Lot 2, and B4, Lot 3. I will always be online in my Facebook Messenger. Feel free to send me a message kung meron kayong urgent question. I will try to respond right away kung gising ako or kung available ako. But just send me a message. I will also send you the AutoCAD file para meron kayong reference. Basically, ang binago ko lang dun sa AutoCAD file is itong limit ng playground na dating part ng commercial area. So, hinati ko yung commercial area para mailagay yung playground sa likod. Alright, thank you, and then just let me know if you have any questions. Bye.